Hi, I'm David Janeway. I'm the Senior Technical Representative for LockBlock here on Mitchell Island.
One of the big challenges in crushing and recycling concrete rubble is the amount of other materials that are inside, attached to, or simply ride along. There is wood, plastic, and rebar that end up contaminating whatever you end up crushing. In the past, we have tried many ways to reduce this contamination, to mixed results. Recently, we installed 2 other systems to reduce the tramp materials. To remove more rebar, we installed a magnetic pulley. To remove wood and plastic, we installed an air knife that blows a targeted stream of air. The good news is that both of these systems are working and our products have never been cleaner. Even greater news is that we are receiving a steady stream of rubble and shipping a great deal of crushed concrete aggregates. And that means you can probably save some money on your next aggregate purchase.
So give us a call on your next project to get pricing.